These are my top 3 favorite beginner airplanes. Alright, starting with the Aeroscout. The Aeroscout is, like, by far the best beginner plane you can train anybody on. It has safe, it just is the best. It's cheap, and it's good. My second favorite beginner plane is the Sport Club S. It is, like, the best indoor, like, plane you can get, and it's just easy to fly. Up next, we got the E-flite Habu. It is like the best beginner jet you can possibly get, and I used to have one. It's great. Horizon Hobby, please send me another, please. All right.